Good day, everyone. Welcome to our English class. Let's have our opening prayer. Prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi. Lord, make me an instrument of your peace. Where there is hatred, let me sow love. Where there is injury, pardon. Where there is doubt, faith. Where there is despair, hope. Where there is darkness, light. Where there is sadness, joy. O Divine Master, grant that I may not so much seek to be consoled as to console, to be understood as to understand, to be loved as to love, for it is in giving that we receive, it is in pardoning that we are pardoned, and it is in dying that we are born to eternal life. This is color red, and red is the color of love. But do you know that red has many shades? These are the different shades of red. We have cherry, blush, candy, scarlet, and so on. These shades are all considered red, but they are different from one another. Having shades is not only for colors. A person can also have shades. For example, Maria. The shades of Maria are called Kind Maria, Intelligent Maria, and Pretty Maria. Therefore, you can be different, but you are still you. Words have shades too, and that is our lesson for today. Just like colors, words have shades too. They have related meanings, but not exactly the same. Welcome to our English class, and let's talk about the shades of meaning in related words. These are the objectives of the lesson. First, be familiar with different words with related meanings. Second, give examples of related words with related meanings. And lastly, explain why it is important to know the similarities and differences of words with related meanings. Let's check out this sentence. The farmer received a mandate from the landowner. Look at the highlighted word, mandate. And on the right side of the picture, we have command, assurance, instruction, and code. And what do you think are these words? These four words. Correct. These four words are synonymous to the word mandate. These four words are related to each other in the sense that they convey the same idea. But which word among the foregoing expresses the strongest shade with mandate? If you will look into the dictionary, a mandate is defined as a formal order from a given authority. Therefore, the word command reflects the strongest shade. Please remember that these are words seen as synonyms having identical or similar meaning. However, for deeper understanding and more effective usage, we have to consider the shades of meaning in some words. Therefore, please use a dictionary to have an accurate meaning. The shades are the discrete differences in the meaning of the synonymous words. Now, let's have an exercise. Let's try to identify the right shade of the words. In spite of a life well lived, the woman was treated by her townmates as a fugitive. What do you think is the best shade of fugitive? Is it A. Criminal, B. Outlaw, C. Escapee, D. Convict? The right answer is letter C, escapee. Next one. She swears by the numerous miseries her life has yielded for her. What do you think is the best shade of yielded here? Is it A. Offered, B. Gathered, C. Produced, D. Collected? The correct answer is letter C, produce. Last one. As soon as the water subsides, we will go home. What do you think is the best shade of the word subsides? Is it A, withdraws, B, clears, C, returns, D, recedes? The right answer is letter D, recedes. Alright, good job! And that's the end of our discussion. Do you have any questions, clarifications? If there's no more question, let me give you your activity for today. You have to write 3 lists of English words with related meanings. Send them to your LMS under the name TLP26. The due date is next week, so good luck and do well. And what did we learn today? Thank you for sharing. Very good. And one last thing. Let me ask you this question. Why is it important to know the similarities and differences of words with related meanings? Before we end the meeting, please type present in our chat box for your attendance. Thank you again, class, for joining me today. Goodbye and see you next meeting.